Hey everyone, welcome to Venture Point Investing. I'm Dan. On this channel, I'll be sharing my day trading journey, including backtesting strategies, looking at different shares, and breaking down when and why to buy. I'll also share practical tips on growing your wealth and investing wisely, drawing my background as a CFO. Now in today's video, we're diving into day trading, and more specifically, I'll be showing you how I backtest the strategy I personally use when I'm trading. Backtesting is such an important part of trading because it lets you see how a strategy would have worked in the past before you put real money on the line. I'll walk you through the steps I take, the results I've seen, and some of the lessons I've learned along the way. Hopefully this gives you some useful insights you can apply to your own trading, or at least helps you think about how to test and refine your own trading strategies. So stick around and let's get into it. Okay, episode 2. Busy doing backtesting for the 26th of August 2025. As mentioned previously in episode 1, I like to only really start trading after 10 o'clock. As you can see, we opened up at 9:30. So we opened up at 9:30 and we ran up, swept liquidity, ran up again, then swept the downside liquidity. And now we're waiting to see what's forming here before entering into any trade. From what I can see, 20-day moving average is above the 200. So technically, according to my method, I would usually be looking for longs, but the fact that we've, broken, usually I'd be looking for longs. But let's just see what happens here. I'm waiting for a clear indication to give me a view into the method I can use. So either if this candle goes above that there, I'd be looking for a retracement into the range. So if that goes above there, looking for a retracement into the range there to bounce and take up. If this doesn't and goes all the way through, then I'd be looking for shorts and for retracements back in. But let's see. There's no point calling what I think it's going to be yet. Let's let the market tell us what it wants to do, and then we'll take it from there. As mentioned previously, I like to do the back testing once I've got the method locked down. I like to do it in the time that it actually would take in the market, so I don't like to speed things through. Let's let it play out as it would normally play out. Okay, so this that's gone up. I'm going to put in a little buy limit there. Let's see what happens. So I'm thinking it's taking that out. It'll hopefully retrace and then go up and carry on. But it could be a bit risky. Let's just see. And then hopefully take out that. Let's see what happens.
Order filled.
Okay, that's looking
Target
promising.
filled.
That's good. That was good. As I said so previously, I have got it where once it reaches 10 points, it does like a auto break even. So you'll see my break even points moved. My targets are usually 10, 20, and 30. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it takes out that there, which I think it's looking to do. So let's see how this gets on. Might get stopped out though.
Stop filled.
Oh, it's irritating. Okay. So that was only 350 in that trade. Let's see. That's just one thing with the trailing loss. I mean, sometimes it has helped me. You can see now this might break all the way down, and then it's going to be going the opposite way. But that was at least a quick 350 there. As you can see, 350 from that, so that was quick. Let's see if we can find another trade though. So as mentioned, if I'm not successful with 2 trades, then I stop. When I've actually doing my proper day trading, I use Apex, and I've got $50,000 accounts. They're mostly evaluation accounts. I have one performance account, which I'm trying to save up and not play with. I want to get more performance accounts before I start doing that. So I've just done a few more evaluation accounts at the minute, and I'm going to try to convert those into performance accounts. Once I have a lot of performance accounts, I'll then look to start trading more in the performance accounts. Trying to make this a full-time thing along with my share trading. So I just need to, as everyone knows that's on this journey in trading, it's not easy. You gotta respect it. You gotta put in the time. And also you just got to accept that there are going to be days you're going to be wrong. You are going to be wrong, but sticking to your method, sticking to your plan, sticking to your strategy, whatever edge you've defined for yourself, that's what's going to really help you. Okay, let's see what's going on here. So this is now gone past that there. I'm going to put in just a quick 5-pointer.
Order submitted.
If it traces back in here. So it's taken out a high. I'm looking for it to retrace into that and come back. If not, just see if this does take out that high there. Then yes. Let's see what it does. There could also be a larger trade on for this one down here. That would be a good one to try and put.
Order submitted.
But let's see.
Order filled.
Okay, come on. That went quite low. Come on.
Stop filled.
Damn. Okay. That's the first one that's wrong. The one trade that's messed up. Okay. Gotta wait now. So with that, we actually lost $300. So we're only down to 50 in profit for the day. Let's try and clean this up a bit, otherwise I get too many things on the screen. Let's see here. Is that going below? Looks like it. It's crazy how tricky trading can be. All these YouTube guys make it look like it's so easy, but it's definitely not. And definitely one of the things you've noticed is, well, I've noticed, is just like the own discipline thing comes in, and the emotions and trying to control emotions. It's great when things are going well, but when they're not, you want to try and chase stuff. Oh, it's really hard to keep a level head that you're just watching ticks go by. Just gonna break that top there. It is. Okay, I'm gonna put a buy here.
Order submitted.
Wow, that is flying. Okay. Let's see if we can get a quick reaction off of here. see.
Order filled.
Oh, we see. This isn't looking too promising, is it? Nope. Man. Let me try and get this to break even and just close it off. Come on, there we go. There we go.
Target filled.
Oh, damn. Come on. Okay, that's not good.
Stop filled.
Damn. Well, there go the 2 trades for the day. Damn. Technically, if I was going to continue, I'd be expecting it to now it's high, low, high, breaking, for it to come down to here, and then short, long.
Order submitted.
But I'm already at the loss point, 320. So unfortunately, this day here is a fail. So unfortunately, as I said, today ended up being a fail. We finished about $320 down with 2 losing trades. And as I mentioned earlier, 2 trades is my stop, so for the back test that day, it is a fail. In the background, I've sped up the footage a bit to show you the rest of the session and my thought process as I kept trading. But this is the reality of trading. There are plenty of losses, and I think it's important to show that side too. Things can go wrong quickly, and discipline is what keeps you in the game. In fact, in the follow-up trade, I took the opposite side only to watch the market set new highs, back-to-back losses. It happens. But that's why I stick to my rules. Don't trade straight after loss, avoid trading during news events, and don't enter unplanned trades. Don't trade outside market hours, and never risk buying more than 1 accounting a day. Then, of course, there are the do's. Trade retracements like the 50%, practice on weekends, stop after 2 losses, switch to a sim if you pass your daily targets or drawdowns, keep a cool head, let trades play out, trade less but with more intention, and stick with the trend when the 20 leads the 200 SMA. These are just some of the things I follow. I'll be doing more backtesting episodes like this, and eventually some live trading sessions too. So if you enjoy this content, please like and hit subscribe. It really helps the channel grow since we're still early. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.